Hi, Nabi.
Hello, teacher.
Where are you now, Nabi? Are you in your house? Oh, yes, you are. I
Because
thought.
at 10 o'clock I will go in home.
Oh, okay. So you
Teacher,
always
what is the dog you like?
the dog? Well, I like Pomeranians. Why? Teacup
Why?
Pomeranian? Do you have a dog?
No, but nah, Mimi want to see the dog
Oh, Nini
because
wants to see the
she like cats.
small dogs. Small dog?
No, but she like cats more.
Oh, but I don't like cat.
I like dogs like you, the same dogs.
Yeah, I like teacup Pomeranian. But if you prefer one, you should go with okay, this one, right?
Like, uh, oh wait a moment.
But if you want a big one, you can always have the Samoyed. It's a bigger version of it.
No, I don't like this one.
It's like a husky. Oh, so you like this one, as big as the cup. Maybe this one, or you like the white one?
Yes. I like a white
Oh,
one, but this one is small one.
why? Did your mom say you're allowed to have pets?
No, but do you, it is pink. Can I see that pink teacup?
See, it can fit in the cup, in the teacup. It's so tiny. That's why I love
I,
this dog.
I want to, do you have a pink teacup? Can you say a pink teacup?
I don't know if they have pink, Nabi. Dogs don't
Yes,
usually have
yes.
pink. Maybe if you will color it, Nabi, there's a color. Oh, yes, there
Mm,
is. Yes, you have to color it pink.
but I want white either then.
Yes, the white one is cute. See?
Mm,
It's so small,
but why it's
Nabi.
too tiny?
Yeah,
But
it's so
when
small.
it's grow, can you say adult
No,
dog,
no, it will
adult
not grow.
teacup?
It will not grow, Navi.
Can you say adult teacup?
Oh,
Just
full
just
grown.
like
Okay, we have here full grown. This one, just as big as this.
oh, look at this one.
There's
Oh,
so
it's so
long.
fat.
Yes, just like this. It's very fat, Navi. Okay, maybe in the future, Navi, you can have one. Okay, so that is how big they get if when they are full grown. But they don't grow as much as other dogs like Samoyed, Navi, or bulldogs, husky, and yeah, many more. Who is that? Oh, it's Emma. Oh, wait, I'll call teacher Jonah. Judah. Oh, okay. I see. Wait, where is Emma?
Here, here,
Oh,
and I go here. Hi.
oh, she's shy. She's shy. Okay, that's fine, Navi. Okay, so she is learning in your house right now. Okay, so that is it, Navi. Now let us continue with our lesson, Navi. Oh, by the way, since oh hi Nini. Nini loves cats. Have you seen the cat without without fur, Navi? No, you are using you're blurring your background. That's why I can see them. Just the shadow, Navi. Oh, okay. Yes. Emma is there. Have you seen have you seen Sphinx, Navi?
Yes.
Have you seen Sphinx? It is a cat
Sphinx.
without fur, Navi.
And do you have the cats just the same as that,
No.
that, 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 the dog? Ew, I don't like that cats.
Okay, you don't like it? Okay.
Mm.
Okay, so you want this dog. Well, I used to have a dog, Navi, but it's a bulldog. A bulldog.
Bulldog.
Yes, a bulldog like this.
You have?
Yes, but that was before, Navi. Now it's dead.
Why?
You know what happened, Navi? Because my brother used to take care of it when I went to my hometown, and when I got back to the island, it's dead.
In the ground?
Yes. I
But
don't know what
why?
I don't know what
Why it's
happened.
calm down? But
I
why
don't
is but it's like it's when you come down in your home, you see it's lay on the ground.
Yeah, maybe they saw the dog with a that the dog is dead already, Navi. I don't know what really happened because I was not there during that time. I went to my
I
hometown.
think I think your brother takes something dangerous for the dog.
Oh, I don't really know what happened because I wasn't there, Navi.
But when you go, it's the dog good.
Yeah. When I went to my hometown, when I leave the island, the dog was good, Navi. I even used to walk him to the beach.
I think he eats something dangerous already.
Oh, yeah, probably that is what happened, Navi. I don't really know what exactly happened there.
Or when your brother go at the garden, the dog will eat something on the ground.
Yeah, probably. I don't know. Okay, so now, Navi, we will have this one. Okay, we're already in speaking practice 43.
This is Elsa. Wait a moment, this is Elsa. Let it go.
Let
Here,
it go. Where? That girl? That is Elsa. Let it go. Let it go.
here,
Oh
there.
my gosh. No. She's wearing pink. Elsa loves blue. Like, okay, the boy is laughing. Now, now, Navi, let us start. Can you tell me how many people are visiting the zoo? What is that? Let it go. Oh my gosh, Navi. Okay, can you tell me how many people are visiting the zoo?
There, he's singing for the girl.
Oh,
And
he's
the
laughing?
monkey are dancing.
Oh, okay. So maybe it's not Elsa, Navi. Which Disney princess can talk to animals? It's Rapunzel? Rapunzel,
But
Snow
but
White?
but he sing and the monkey dance.
Oh, the girl is singing. That's why the monkeys are dancing and the boy is laughing. Why is the boy laughing? Because of the monkey or because of Elsa?
The monkey.
Oh, because of the monkey. Okay. Now let us focus.
But
Navi, can you?
Elsa didn't like pink. She like blue.
Yes, I agree. She loves blue, not
And this
Maybe it's
is
Anna.
the crowd. They
Oh,
were
that is
looking at the Elsa and the monkey dance.
the.
After
uh,
this one, this
what?
one, this one, and this one. Everything.
Everyone are enjoying the show. Okay. How many people
But
are
this,
visiting?
but two people don't look at.
Yes, they are not.
But
They
they
are
just they're like that.
not. Okay. So they just stood there. Can you tell me, Navi, how many people are visiting the zoo?
There are four people visiting the zoo.
What is the girl in the pink dress doing?
She is singing.
Oh, she is singing. Okay. Yes, it could be, right? Now, what is the man in the white shirt doing?
Yeah. Hay là cái cục của cái máy ảnh nó cô qua cái chân con. Không có gì hết. Cái máy ảnh nó phụ điện nó lên cái chân đây. Đây là cái cài sạc á.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the man in the white shirt doing?
But what, this is the small, not a man.
Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, so let us rephrase it. What is the boy in a white shirt doing?
He's laughing.
Okay, what animals can you see? Can you name it all?
Giraffes, elephants, hippos, monkeys.
What else?
Lizards and ducks.
Okay, yes, very good. And that would be better, Navi, if you include how many they are in the picture. Okay, so you can see I can see 3 giraffes, 2 elephants, 3 monkeys, 3 ducks, 3 lizards, and a hippo. So, what
Teacher,
color?
but
Yes.
when you go, but you went to the cat shop, you but it isn't that dog. What cat do you choose?
Oh, I don't like cats, Navi.
But
I don't.
but what do you choose? But when I ask you cats, what do you choose?
I don't know any breeds of cats. Maybe the fluffiest cat, Navi. The
Fluffiest
fluffiest.
cat. What is the fluffiest cat?
Oh, they don't look nice. Oh, I think I know what I want. I think the blue-eyed cat. I don't know the breed of it, Navi, but it has blue eyes. Blue-eyed cat. See, we have here a lot of cats, Navi. Wait, just the
No.
images.
What is this cat's name?
This one, Navi. This one, the white one. I love the white one, Navi.
I don't like any cat.
See, it's
like
very beautiful.
Can you put the kitten?
It's very beautiful, though.
Kitten.
Kitten? Blue-eyed kitten? Oh, well, kittens are cute, Navi. See? It's very nice. Like a wolf. You don't like it?
This one.
Oh, okay. Oh, you like that one. Yes, but I really appreciate dogs more than cats. Yes, dogs. I love dogs more than cats, Navi. I'm a dog person, Navi.
But why?
Because they just have this effect on me, Navi, that whenever I have problems or whenever I'm really stressed, they make me feel calm, especially when I play with them or I walk with them, Navi. That is
But
why.
that is just a small dog. You need to put it up like this. But or what? It's just this cover like this on the grass. You cannot see it.
Okay, so your one step, Navi, your one step is maybe about 10 steps of the dog, 10 steps of the Pomeranian. So you have to carry it. Yes, I agree, Navi. Because it walks slowly. It walks
Can you
slowly.
look at that ducks and walk?
No, Navi. We have to focus now,
But
Navi.
but I like it to walk like this.
Yes, I know you like it
One,
because you love that dog. Okay,
two,
so let us say this is
three,
Navi. This is Navi. Okay, that
four.
is one step. One step. And this is the Pomeranian, Navi. Here's the dog. Here's the dog. Okay. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you have to wait for
Hmm.
it, Navi.
I will put it up.
What about your friends? Do they have dogs?
There's a dog, but like this.
Oh, big
Like this
dogs.
one. He is walking like this. He's looking like one, but the dog is one.
Oh, that's a big dog. That's a big dog, Navi. Wow. That's scary.
It's
Okay.
cute. When he see me, he will run to me.
Oh,
Um, and when he comes in, he's scared.
do you like big dogs or small dogs?
I like your dog.
Oh, you like my dog. Okay, but I don't have that one yet, Navi, in the future. Okay, now can let us go back. Can you tell me how many giraffes are there?
Hmm?
How many giraffes are there? There are.
Mm,
How many giraffes? Look at the picture, Navi.
mm,
What do you think?
uh,
There are.
there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50. 50
What?
animals.
Oh, you're counting all the animals, but the question is just how many giraffes are there, Navi?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, what color is the hippo?
It's gray.
What color is the
Gray.
woman's bag? What color is the woman's
It's
bag?
red.
Where are the lizards?
Teacher, what do you think it is?
Oh, is that the headphones? Oh no, not headphones, headset. Headset?
Like
Headset,
this.
Navi?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, what's inside it, Navi? What is inside? You don't know. Okay, can you tell me where are the lizards? Where are the lizards?
The lizard is in the
In the what?
lizard is on the tree.
In the tree, Navi, not on the tree. Okay, now, are there 3 elephants in the zoo?
This is for you. And
Oh,
this one.
that's very cute.
This is
Oh,
for you.
oh, that's very cute, Navi. Does it like
For
Navi?
you.
Is that Kurumi?
No,
Oh,
it's
it's
a
not.
pink bear and a flower.
Oh, I see. Very nice. Can you tell me, are there three elephants in the zoo, Navi?
No, teacher.
How many elephants are there?
They're just they're just two.
Where are the ducks? That's very nice, Navi. Like a little pot of flour.
This is a bear, pink bear,
Mhm.
and a flower. What do you
Oh,
choose?
the flower. I love the flower. That's very nice, Navi. Lovely white flower. Okay, now can you tell me where are the ducks?
There's a star bear.
Oh, Star Bear. Yes, lovely. Can you tell me where are the ducks, Navi?
Again, a bear.
The bear again. Okay. Where are the ducks, Navi? Oh, you have three of them. Okay. Where are the ducks?
The dogs is
Ducks are?
in the pond.
Okay. And a small pond. What are they doing? What are the ducks doing? They are?
They're swimming.
Very good, Navi. Now, I want you to look
Oh,
at the
your
picture. Okay, so look at the.
teacher. My mom
Yes?
said zoom in.
Yes, zoom in. Okay, so now in here, Navi, I want you to present it. Ready now? No, you are on mute. Okay, are you ready now?
Look at the teeth of the this animal. Look at this
Why?
yellow laugh
Why?
because it's like punch out. It will punch out.
Well, they really have teeth like this, Navi.
Why?
Well, I don't know, but um that's a very strong one and it can even bite the whole watermelon at once. Yes. Have you seen it on YouTube or TikTok? Yes. Visitors, Navi, they feed the hippos with one whole big watermelon and they eat it at once.
I don't
Yeah,
think so.
because they have big mouths.
I don't think so. But just two teeth whites in the half watermelon.
Yeah, I'll show you a video later, Navi. Okay? I'll show you a video of it so you will believe me. But yes, that is why that I believe that's the purpose of why they have a big mouth, Navi. They can swallow big food at once, big fruits at once.
But I don't think so. The baby can eat one bite of watermelon.
No, of course not the baby, just the big hippo, Navi.
But the baby can punch out and
I
eat
don't know.
one.
I don't know if the baby can or the or mommy will help the baby.
Like he punch uh, next one and give the baby another one.
I don't know what will happen, Navi, because I just saw it on TikTok, Navi. They eat the whole watermelon. Yes, it fits here, Navi. It fits here.
But it just swap.
What do you mean? It will eat it directly? Of course, it will chew it, Navi.
I think it swap down.
No. So it will chew it,
But the
Navi.
elephant eats just a vegetable.
Yes, that is right. So as the giraffes.
Yes.
And what about the lizards, Navi? What do they eat?
They eat fruit. Huh, they
And
eat bugs.
yes, they eat insects. Okay, they eat insects. What about the ducks? What do they eat?
Do you see something different in my table?
Yes, you have a pink lamp.
No. But first you see me is very far, right? First you see me is very
Mhm.
far.
Yes. And now
First you see me
so
very
far.
far.
It's so far.
Like this one, right?
Hmm. And
But
now?
now, like this. Now it's here.
Oh, it's very
I
close now.
change I changed the table.
Oh, okay. That's good. Make yourself comfortable. Well, now we'll have a 5-minute break, Navi. I'll see you in a bit, okay? Okay. Goodbye, Navi.